Hey everyone, it's Desiree, and I am back with, just like the first video where I sewed all of those beautiful junk journal kits, I said that there was going to be two more where I'm showing other designers, digital designers that are available for you to help either embellish or create your junk journal entirely. So one of the things that, and again, this is new to me, I'm sure it's been around forever, is the concept of fussy cutting. Now, let me reiterate that. Yes, we do fussy cut, especially in the, on the card making side. I hate it. So, just gonna put that out there. I'm not good at fussy cutting. I do my best effort with it, and it takes me forever. One of the things that I've noticed in our junk journal digital downloads there are images that are called fussy cut, which is awesome. So, scissors, small, pointy. Now, what's nice about it is, like, if you have a Cricut, is that how we say that? Or a Brother Scan and Cut. And I'm sure there's another machine that's out there. I can't think of it. A Silhouette? I don't know. They'll actually cut right around these lines for you. So if you have that, that's good to know. But if you don't, they are easier to cut because they give you this line going around. So again, while I was on Etsy, I actually said, I wonder if this would come up, fussy cut digital downloads. And wow, the choices that came out and the choices that were available were absolutely amazing. See, I'm new to all of this. I live in a little tiny shell. So what I did was I have from 3 different designers here. So the first one is Junk with Steph. And again, these are fussy cuts, and these are fruits and flowers. So you can see you've got that yellow area going around it, and that is where you would cut. So if I look, and if I take this, I'm going to cut in between. And I'll cut this one. Now, I do like to use smaller scissors. And if I just go around, you can see this actually allows me to go faster. I don't have to go up to the image. Now, I can if I want. I don't have to. But all I'm doing is following. It's like, I'll call it like a shadow line. A shadow area around the image. I'm just following that. And you can see I'm moving the paper, not the scissors. It's okay if I have a little bit of white because I already know that I will be coming in with vintage photo to go around the outside of these images just to give them some shading and ink them up and so forth. So I'm not worried about these being perfect. So again, that's a fussy cut image. Very simple, very easy, and takes nothing to cut those. Okay, so there are many designs out there. Again, this one is Junk with Steph, and these are fruits and flowers. So these are a nice size. These are great on tags. These would be great onto a page. I just really liked the color of them, the vibrancy and the difference of them. What's great is, you can cut them in half. You can do a lot when it comes to an image like this. It doesn't have to stay that way. You can make it and cut it out any way that you would want. Quarter it, put them on different cards, and so forth. So again, very simple to cut. or as I said, if you have one of those one of those systems, that you would be able to use that to cut these out. The next ones are by Kiwi Card House. That's the name of the shop. And these are absolutely gorgeous. Now, the difference with these is there's like a shadow behind them. Okay? So all you would have to do is just go along that shadow area. So again, you're not going up into those detailed lines. You're just hitting the shadow outside of it. So it is a lot easier to cut. But I thought these images were absolutely gorgeous. And again, everything will be linked down below, so that you will be able to check out their shop as well. Now the next one, there's actually 3 different sets that I enjoyed. This shop is called My Porch Prints. And these sets are butterflies, flowers, birds, and bees. So this one here, of course, is the birds and the bees. So you've got some color images, you've got some black and white. Here are some nests with some eggs, some small pieces of ephemera as well included. Some eggs, some monotone colors. If you're into the botanical or nature type journal, these would be great. We've got some bees going on here in different styles. Adorable, just saying. So that is the birds and the bees. And then this one here, of course, are the flowers. I mean, beautiful images. Absolutely gorgeous. We have some ones with just stems, some bouquets, some baskets. Beautiful sunflowers. So you've got many different colors in your florals. Some are really close, but again, they're easy to cut out because they have that shadow that's going around them. Just some greens to fill in. And then the last one, of course, is butterflies. I'm keeping an eye on my cat. My cat is trying to... Excuse me. If you hear something crash, it's going to be the cat. Oh, he's precious. These, of course, are the butterflies. So again, images of butterflies along with some other pieces of ephemera, all different colors. That will fit any style of the journal. I love those colors. So again, a fussy cut. It's a different way to cut out your images. You know, if you're looking for something to do, you can sit in front of the TV and just create, you know, just cut these out so that they can get ready for whatever you're going to use them for, whatever ephemera. Again, this video is just going to show these. We will be making projects very soon with these items, with any of these digital downloads that I have just shown. So stay tuned, and you'll see what we will use these for. As always, all of these products here that I just showed will be listed down below in my video description. And if you have any questions or comments, please make sure you leave those down below as well. If you haven't already, I'd love for you to subscribe. Make sure you ring the bell so you know when the next video is live, ready for you to watch. And make sure you hit that thumbs up. I do hope everyone is enjoying. I hope you're being And what I always say is most important, being creative. But most of all, please make sure you're staying safe and healthy through this challenging time. We will get through this, and we will all be fine in the long run. Again, everyone, take care and always be creative. Till next time. And this video is a short one. Yay! See ya.